in Jamaica, my friend. We make it look so fucking crazy.
With the opportunity to go back to Jamaica and shoot a video for the West Tender Inn, I knew I had to document the authentic Jamaican experience this time. We started off the trip with an insane sunrise mission overlooking the misty Blue Mountains. After an incredible sunrise shoot, we headed deeper into the mountains to explore a remote Rastafarian village. We got lost along the way and ran into Handel Bowen, a local coffee farmer who pointed us in the right direction.
Want a picture with me?
Wait, you guys are journalists?
Yeah. I make movies.
You do?
Yeah.
What was your name again, sir?
My name is Handel Bowen.
One more time?
Handel Bowen.
So I'm out here and we got my boy right here, gave us some great directions, respect, and we might even see some Rastafarian culture in an authentic village.
Indeed.
We'll see. After our long journey up to the Rasta village, we decided to stop for a refuel at the Old Tavern Coffee Estate.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best.
We're over here at the Old Tavern Coffee Estate, and we're going to be giving a lesson on drone piloting.
I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this. I'm blessed, oh man. With my
What time is it?
Something like 9:30.
Alright, so it's 9 p.m. We're in the Blue Mountains right now, and we figured we tried to catch a sunset tonight up here at the place that we're staying at. And we just couldn't really see anything. It was so foggy.
sipping on straight glory. Let the vibe slide over me. This beat is a chemical.
So we're going to go ahead and slap it to Negril tonight. And we're going to be at the West Tender shooting this commercial tomorrow. So a little bit of change of plans, but it's all good. So that night, we made the 6-hour journey to Negril, a town on the far west side of the island known for its beaches, cliff jumping, and diving.
of your body. This is more than I can take. You're the fruit that I can taste. You only seek what you give away. You'll only speak what you wanna say. You lay like a warrior. I'll make you shake like a better. We fell in love right by the ocean. Made all our plans down on the sand. We fell in love right by the ocean. Made all our plans.
We in Jamaica, my friend. We make it look so fucking crazy.
Is this a great place to eat a bagel? I'd say yes.
Yeah. So gather round, but let me just say this before. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment y'all been waiting for. Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. Let that boy breathe. Make it pop, make it pop, make it pop, make it pop, make it drop, make it pop, don't stop, make it pop.
I feel glorious, glorious.
I forgot to do an Instagram story.
What's up?
All right, guys. See you later.
Oh, you can't imagine the way that this cash feeling. Don't know what's harder, the first or the last million.
Then you're left in the dust, unless I start